guys! Welcome to my vlog! Video for today is we are going to the market again. Every Saturday we go to the market because we are going there to buy a fresh vegetable. So I'm going to speak English today because
Every Saturday we go to the market.
So that's it. So a little bit we are in the market. So for now we are still here stopping. And don't forget to follow, subscribe my channel, guys. Let's go, Sago. We're here, guys. So let's go. Go to the market now. Oh, we need a basket. We go there, over there. We're here, guys. I got my bag for the vegetable later. Let's go, Sago. We're here, guys. Most of the ceiling here. Nakapanin na dito guys, mga flowers, bulaklak. The market here is like the Philippines. Yeah, the Philippines market is most of food and fish. Here most of the plant were there. I know. Yes, so that's it, guys. That's it. Look at you guys. Gonna tinitin the flowers of market dito. Yeah, the melon is here expensive. There in the Sam's is $5. $6. It's more. It's almost the same, right? Ganito lang dito guys ang market sa Amerika. Ito ang market dito. Oh, they have a duck egg. Duck egg, good for the balut. No. I don't know how to make balut. Yeah. I know how to make salty egg. Ganito lang ito guys. Mga tinda. Karamihan dito bulaklak, flowers. Ganito tinda dito ganyan. Bulaklak, kandila. Ganyan ang tinda dito guys sa Amerika. Ganyan ang market dito. Ayan. Nadala yung mga aso, mga pagkain. Ganito ang tinda dito. Market dito guys. Marami-rami rin tao guys. Your egg is burner. Huh? Egg. Yeah. You want egg? Ito mga plant dito guys. Ganito lang. Pinta. Ako may bumibili itlog. Ayan. Ang tinda dito guys. Ayan o, mga cabbage fresh. Yung iba guys, nag-harvest na. Market. Wow. Beach. What is the beach? Oh, I don't believe the color orange. Guys. One box. This one. Yes. Yeah. Of course. That's my favorite. No, tapos kami guys. Bili na ako ng gulay. Yun lang. Sana may mustasa, may kangkong, may talbos. Wala kasi yan dito guys. You want lemonade too? Oh, you like that? Okay. What do you want the color? We're done, guys! Hello! Tapos na kami, guys. We're done to the market. Front of the market is the church. Look at here, guys. Church. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Watching.